In our modern world, we are bombarded with chemicals. From the products we use in our homes to the food we consume, many of these substances can interfere with our hormonal systems, leading to a variety of health issues. So, whether you're a health enthusiast or just curious about the chemicals in your daily life, this episode is for you. Now, you may remember learning in biology class that our bodies are run by a network of hormones and glands that regulate everything we do. Most often, we think about the system, the endocrine system, in the context of puberty only, but it actually plays a starring role in all phases of development, metabolism, and behavior. Now, here's the bad news. Synthetic chemicals in products like plastics and fragrances can mimic hormones and interfere with or disrupt the delicate endocrine dance. We're exposed to these chemicals daily, and we are especially vulnerable to them during phases of accelerated development, in utero and throughout childhood. My name is Dr. Akash Sehgal. This is the Dr. Wash Rains podcast. Let's dive in. Let's begin by understanding what hormones are and how they function within our bodies. Hormones are chemical messengers produced by glands in our endocrine system, and they travel through the bloodstream to tissues and organs, influencing processes such as growth, metabolism, mood regulation, and reproductive functions. Our, our endocrine system includes several key glands: the pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, ovaries, and testes. Now, each of these plays a vital role in maintaining our bodily functions. For instance, the thyroid regulates metabolism while the adrenal glands help manage stress through hormone production like cortisol and adrenaline. Now, imagine that your endocrine system is a finely tuned orchestra, with each gland playing its unique part to create harmony within the body. When everything is working correctly, we feel balanced and healthy. However, when this delicate balance is disrupted, the consequences can be significant. So, what exactly are endocrine disruptors? Endocrine disruptors are substances that interfere with the normal functioning of hormones. These can be synthetic chemicals found in pesticides, plastics, personal care products, and even some pharmaceuticals. They mimic human hormones. They block hormone receptors or alter hormone production and metabolism. For example, bisphenol A, or more commonly called as BPA, is very commonly found in plastics. It is known to mimic estrogen, and, and when ingested, it can disrupt the delicate hormonal balance in both men and women. Similarly, phthalates, found in many personal care products, can interfere with testosterone levels. Now, you might be wondering where you encounter these endocrine disruptors in your daily life. Let's break down some common sources. The first, household products. Many cleaning agents, air fresheners, and personal care products like shampoos, lotions contain super harmful chemicals. Parabens and phthalates are often used as preservatives and fragrance components, respectively. So, so you need to check the label behind the products you buy for what all is in them. Number two, food packaging. Chemicals like BPA are often used in the lining of canned foods. If you remember using cans on the exterior, they are aluminum, but on the interior, there is plastic inside them. In all of these cans and plastic containers, you've got a lot of BPA. Now, when these containers they are heated or scratched, the chemicals they can leach into our food, and they usually even do. That is why you should not be microwaving food in the packaging you got it, especially if it is plastic. Now, agricultural practices often use chemicals that disrupt hormonal systems in both humans and wildlife. Consuming non organic produce can increase exposure to these toxins. Contaminants such as heavy metals, pharmaceuticals, and industrial chemicals can infiltrate our drinking water, potentially affecting our endocrine health. Make sure you check the filters in your RO systems and also see how effectively are they functioning as per the provided service schedule. Now, many cosmetics and skincare products are absolutely laden with synthetic chemicals that can disrupt hormonal balance. It is super essential to read labels and choose products free from known disruptors. Check for parabens, triclosans, and PFAs. Now, there is a full guideline given by Breast Cancer UK, which is a very useful fact sheet on parabens, and I'm attaching the link for it in the description. Now that we understand what endocrine disruptors are and where they come from, let's dive into how they impact our health. The effects can be wide-ranging and severe. Endocrine disruptors can lead to fertility problems, menstrual irregularities, and increased rates of conditions like PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome. In men, they can affect testosterone levels, leading to reduced sperm quality and testosterone related disorders. Now, exposure during critical developmental windows, such as pregnancy and early childhood, can lead to developmental delays in children, behavioral problems, and also the increased risks of autism spectrum disorders. There is there is a very small window in which the human brain and liver are developed in the womb. When a hormone disrupting chemical gets in the way during this particular window, it brings in permanent and irreversible changes to the fetus. Now, these disruptors they can contribute to obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes by interfering with the hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism. There are also incidents of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, obesity, heart diseases, and even stroke. Chemicals like perchlorate can disrupt thyroid hormone production, leading to conditions like hypothyroidism, which can impact energy levels, mood, and overall health. Now, certain endocrine disruptors, particularly those that mimic estrogen, have been linked to increased risks of hormone related cancers such as breast and prostate cancer. Now, the science surrounding endocrine disruptors is extensive and ongoing. Numerous studies have investigated their effects on human health and wildlife. For example, research has shown that exposure to low doses of endocrine disruptors during critical developmental periods can lead to long term health effects. Now, for example, research has shown that exposure to even low doses of some disruptors during a pregnancy can lead to long-term developmental, mental, and even physical side effects for the fetus. Now, one notable study published in the journal Endocrinology found that exposure to BPA in utero, or rather enduring a pregnancy, resulted in altered reproductive development in female offsprings. Another significant research effort from the National Toxicology Program indicated that phthalates could affect testosterone levels in males, raising concerns about reproductive health. These, these studies they underscore the importance of further research and public awareness about the impact of endocrine disruptors. Now that we have established the risks, let's talk about how you can minimize your exposure to these harmful substances. Opting for personal care products and cleaning supplies that are free from parabens, phthalates, and other synthetic chemicals. Look for products labeled fragrance free and organic whenever possible. Although although organic might not be totally organic, but it is always good to check both ways. Check the product, check the internet. Check the internet whether that product actually is organic or not. There are tons and tons of resources out there. Avoiding plastic whenever possible. Use glass, stainless steel, or even ceramic containers for food and drinks. Use glass or metal containers instead of plastic, especially for storing food, drinking water. Avoid avoid microwaving food in plastic containers, which can release harmful chemicals like BPA into your food. Now, whenever possible, please choose organic produce and organic meats to reduce your exposure to pesticides and herbicides. Yes, they are expensive, but at the same time, nothing is more expensive than your health. Now, you gotta invest in a high quality water filter to remove contaminants from your drinking water. Look for filters that are certified to reduce specific chemicals and make sure that you keep the filter clean as per the service schedule. Now, try to limit your consumption of canned goods and processed foods as these often contain BPA and other harmful chemicals. Trust me, the plastic container in which you get your food is not the first plastic container in which it is being pushed on to down the supply chain. Now, be super cautious with receipts whenever you're getting receipts on thermal paper. They often contain BPA or BPS, chemicals which have known hormone disrupting properties. Now, choose products that are free of synthetic fragrances, including air fresheners, scented candles, and household sprays, which can contain phthalates that disrupt hormone function. Now, trust me, nothing is more important than staying informed about products and chemicals. And also, talking about these products, especially amongst your closest, your friends and family, will only bring this topic up in between each and every other single person. Now, diet plays a crucial role in maintaining hormonal balance, and certain foods can help counteract the effects of endocrine disruptors. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, nuts, they can help combat oxidative stress caused by the toxins. These foods they support your body's detoxification processes. Now, omega 3 fatty acids, which are found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, can help regulate inflammation and support hormone production. Healthy fats are crucial for normal and regular hormone synthesis. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds that support liver detoxification and may help regulate estrogen levels. Then, a high fiber diet can support gut health and help eliminate toxins from your body. Incorporate whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables into your meals. Proper proper hydration is essential for overall health and can aid in the detoxification process. Aim for aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and consider herbal teas for added benefits. But please make sure that those herbal teas, those green teas that you all are having do not have any added colors, fragrances or anything that can be considered inorganic or synthetic. Reading the ingredient list should be a very well rehearsed habit for all of you. Reading the label provides you with so much more information and power about the food that you're having, power over the food that you're having. I cannot even stress on the impact that how much of an impact reading the goddamn label has. It is absolutely mind-boggling that in 2025 we still are not able to read proper labels of from food articles. It's just sad. Now, as awareness of endocrine disruptors grows, so does the need for regulation and research. Governments and organizations worldwide are beginning to take action. For instance, the European Union has implemented regulations to restrict the use of certain harmful chemicals in consumer products. Research institutions are also studying the long term effects of endocrine disruptors, and many advocacy groups are pushing for stricter regulations and increased public awareness. Health experts also point out that cleaning products are often not regulated and may not list all ingredients, particularly those with fragrances, and they can include harmful chemicals. Products containing pesticides or synthetic fragrances can pose health risks through inhalation and skin absorption. Please, please opt for fragrance free or naturally sourced fragrance options to reduce exposure to potentially harmful chemicals. However, there is still much work to be done. The complexity of endocrine disruption requires a multidisciplinary approach combining toxicology, endocrinology, and environmental science. As individuals, we can make a difference by advocating for better regulations and supporting companies that prioritize safety. You gotta educate yourself and others around you, sharing information about this, reading about this, about endocrine disruptors, and again, asking your friends and family to talk about it. The more people are aware, the more we can collectively push for a change. Asking for glass or metal kitchenware at potlucks. It all starts with small efforts. Now looking for certifications like FSSAI when purchasing products. Support brands that prioritize safe, natural ingredients and transparent sourcing. Now, in getting involved in advocacy might be a little out of the way for a lot of people, but please consider either making or joining local or national organizations which are focused on environmental health and public policy. Please, this is a collective effort. This is a fight that all of us will have to fight together, either today or tomorrow. Now, together, we can advocate for stronger regulations to protect us consumers from harmful chemicals in products and food. Remember, this is for our collective future. Now, beyond minimizing exposure to endocrine disruptors, a holistic approach to hormonal health is essential. This includes lifestyle changes that support overall well being. Physical activity is vital for maintaining hormonal balance. Please incorporate both cardio and strength training. Exercise can enhance insulin sensitivity, improve your mood naturally, and support healthy weight management. Physical activity also helps you manage endorphins, cortisol, and a lot of other hormones that keep your body a cohesive and a beautifully working machine. Now, chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which can disrupt hormonal balance. Incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing, spending as much time as you can in nature, or doing something relaxing. Cortisol is possibly the craziest of the hormones out there. It helps you wake up, and then it also does not even allow you to sleep properly. I think it's almost like you falling in love for the first time. And talking about love, quality sleep is crucial for hormonal regulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and establish a consistent sleep schedule. Creating a calming bedtime routine can improve your sleep quality, and maintaining good quality sleep hygiene is absolutely necessary. Keeping strong social ties can enhance emotional well being, which in turn supports hormonal balance. Engaging with friends, family, fostering relationships that bring joy and support into your life means a lot, especially in times like these. You you should also schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor your hormonal health. Blood tests can assess hormone levels, and early detection of imbalances can lead to timely interventions. Now, as we wrap up this exploration of endocrine disruptors and hormonal balance, remember that awareness and education are powerful tools for change. By understanding the risks associated with environmental toxins, you can take proactive steps to protect your health and that of your loved ones. Your choices, they absolutely matter. Every small step towards reducing exposure to these endocrine disruptors contributes to a larger movement for health, safety, and well being. We need to empower ourselves and others to make informed decisions about the products we use, the food we eat, and the environment we inhabit. Together, we can foster a healthier world for current and future generations. Thank you for joining in on this journey today. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with your friends and family and do not forget to subscribe. My name is Dr. Akash Sehgal, and you're listening to the Dr. Washwains podcast.